Hello everyone, and welcome to the Accessibility Services Mendeley tutorial. Mendeley is a referencing and citation software that is highly useful for students in graduate programs. Mendeley is used for academic writing assignments where references are required. Mendeley is entirely free to download and works on Mac, PC, mobile, and in your web browser. Mendeley will store all of your saved academic journals to the cloud so you'll always have access to them. To download Mendeley, head over to mendeley.com and sign up for the free account with your student or personal email. Once you've downloaded Mendeley, open up the programs and take a look around. In this program, you'll be able to upload a PDF file like academic journals to create your own repository of research. Mendeley will save all of your research documents to the cloud and create an easily maneuverable database of your research. Here you can see my repository has a collection of academic journals. I can open up individual journals and create highlights and annotations. I can also organize my journals into folders based on the topic. One of the best features of Mendeley is its searchability of the database. By doing a quick search, I can easily find papers, authors, and quotations to use for my academic writing. Microsoft Word also has a plugin for Mendeley. This plugin will seamlessly integrate your Mendeley database with your paper and automatically generate references as you write. Lastly, Mendeley has a social networking component that will allow you to follow researchers, topics, and peers. You can receive updates when papers are published that may be of interest to you. Overall, Mendeley is an excellent piece of software for storing and referencing academic journals for university assignments. Download links have been provided in the description down below. If you have any questions about using assistive software, please don't hesitate to contact Accessibility Services at access@urlu.ca.